How to change payment method on Hulu. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your payment method on your Hulu account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just simply open hulu.com and you will be landed to the official website of Hulu. So you can go ahead and explore the homepage and you can just log into your account if you have subscription of your Hulu with you, and if you don't have an account you can go ahead and purchase your preferred subscription option from the given option over here. They have different options available. So you can buy the basic plan, so you can choose the basic plans, or you can also choose the bundle and save some money over there. And in order to change your payment method on your Hulu account, all you have to do is just first of all see which all payment methods that are available on. Just simply check all the payment method that are available on Hulu as of now. So Hulu accept US based credit or debit card like American Express, Visa, MasterCard and Discover. And there are also digital payment method available like PayPal. You can pay Hulu from PayPal as well. You can also use gift cards like Hulu gift card, and you can also buy Hulu gift card from hulu.com/gift card. And so yeah, these are the payment method that are available. And if you plan to pay Hulu using a credit or debit card, it must have at least $1 balance, so we can process a temporary authorization hold to confirm your payment information. Just keep that thing in mind. And in order to change your payment method, you need to log into your account page, and after that just go to the payment information section and update and select update payment. And after that just add your preferred payment method using, for example, if you're using PayPal, so you can directly attach your payment method information. For example, if you're attaching your PayPal, so you can add your PayPal payment method over there, and after that just simply click on save change, and that's how you will be able to change your payment method on your Hulu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.